Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off all visual interactions in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and want to prevent visuals from automatically filtering each other, which can slow down your reports significantly. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the File option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices for managing your Power BI environment. From this drop-down menu, look for Options and Settings, click on it, and you'll see another submenu appear. Here, select Options. This is your gateway to all the configuration settings that control how Power BI behaves and performs. After clicking Options, you'll need to wait for the settings window to load. Sometimes this can take a moment, especially if you're working with a complex report or if your system is processing other tasks, so just be patient while everything loads up properly. Once the options window has fully loaded, shift your focus to the left side panel. Here you'll see various categories of settings. Look for the section labeled Current File and click on it to expand the options beneath it. Under Current File, you need to find an option called Query Reduction. Click on Query Reduction to access the specific settings we need to modify. Now, in the Query Reduction section, you'll see a heading that says Reduce Number of Queries Sent By. This is where you can control how your visuals interact with each other. Look for the checkbox labeled Disabling Cross-Highlighting / Filtering by Default. This is the key setting that controls visual interactions. Go ahead and check this checkbox to disable the automatic cross-filtering and highlighting between visuals. Once you've checked it, click OK to save your changes. Here's an important final step. For these changes to take full effect, you'll need to restart your Power BI desktop application. Close it completely and then open it again. When it restarts, the changes will be applied and your visuals will no longer automatically interact with each other by default. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off all visual interactions in Power BI, giving you better control over your report performance and user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.